What's going on, y'all? This is Georgie C. Back again with another video. Please like, please share, please subscribe. And today, I'm gonna show y'all how to properly brush your hair. So I won't waste too much time. I'm just gonna go straight to it. So follow me. All right, so the first thing you wanna do is you wanna get your hair wet. You can brush it dry. It's really just a matter of feeling it. So you can tell your hair is dry just by feeling it, right? So, I feel it, my hair feels kind of slick. Well, it feels slick, but I'm gonna find out when I start brushing, right? So I'm gonna do a quick brush. All right, it is kind of dry. Because when I brushed my hair, a bunch of hair came out. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with my little concoction here. Get it nice and wet, nice and damp, I mean. So now, I'm gonna start brushing. You wanna do 20 strokes from each angle. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you wanna get the side right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember, 20 strokes. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is for optimal wave training. Brushing is key to getting waves. That's the only way you're gonna get waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. With the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm not going to speed it up because I want y'all to see how to properly, do it, how to properly brush your hair. And remember, it's 360 waves. So I'm going to do a full 360 all around your head. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so now that I'm done brushing, this is the most important part, the do-rag. This is the most important part of the wave making process, because if you don't put the do-rag on, everything we just did was a waste. Because the hair will immediately curl back up and you will lose all whatever progress you've made. when you go to the gym and when you come out the gym and you don't eat, or you don't drink your protein shake, or you don't take your supplements, what happens? You lose all your gains, because your body needs that to form muscle, okay? Your hair needs to be brushed and compressed in order to form waves, period. So yeah, that is how to properly brush your hair. Please like, please subscribe, leave comments, please share, hit the notification bell. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a good night.